So here I am in Auburn, New York. This is a city that is famous for its massive roosts of crows. They especially are known to congregate during the winter time. These are very intelligent corvids. Corvids are the group of birds. It includes the ravens, the crows, and the jays. All very smart birds. They form long-term pair bonds. They live in family groups, and they're known to be excellent problem solvers. And I dare say, very beautiful birds as well. And as they come into their roost, they're all chatting with each other. They sound like they're talking about their day or just greeting one another.